Hey everybody, this is Steve Rich with Automation D&D. I just want to step through showing you how to obtain IOSv directly from Cisco for free. You can go to Cisco Dev-Net and download their software developer kit called 1PK. And the easiest way for me to show you this is to go to a common point of reference. Let's start with google.com and a search for it. Just type in the words 1PK, download, and when your options come up, you're looking for the one that starts with HTTPS. You do want the all-in-one VM. And here on this page, if you note, they're polite enough to give you a password and user ID also. And it's a large download. It's 3 gigs. You will have to set up an account with Cisco, which is free. The OVA file is an open virtualized appliance. And we will have to wait a little while for this to download. It says here 36 minutes, but we'll see how long it actually takes. And then what we'll do is extract an image out of this. So after I'm done downloading, I will come back to this. As you see, this download has completed. Right-click, go to the containing folder, and I'm going to copy it. And what I want to do is put it into a folder right here. Alright, neato. And here's the virtual appliance. Let's extract this with WinRAR. You can see here it's extracting the virtual disk. Okay. Groovy. And as you see here, I've got 3 more files, and this is the format that you can use to import into vMware Workstation and open it like a virtual machine, which is the whole idea here. So let's do that now. Okay, this is vMware Workstation on my machine, and what I'm going to do is choose this open virtualization format, which is designed to open in vMware Workstation, and open it with vMware Workstation. And I'm going to name it all-in-one VM and import These IOSs are already the same thing. I've been experimenting with this. It's a slightly earlier version. This is the latest version. And I'll come back when that's done importing. Okay, groovy. Groovy. Power it up. This is an Ubuntu machine. Okay. Enter the password that you have from the page. And we're in. Accept. Proceed. Now you can enter whatever name you wish for the simulator. And what we need to do is get to a command prompt so we can take the next steps of extracting the IOS. Okay, now that we've got a terminal open on the desktop here, what we've got to do is get to the directory that contains the IOS image file. So I'm going to do this explicitly one directory at a time. And then cd images should be the last one. Almost use the DOS command for a listing there. And this VIOS Advanced Enterprise OVA file is the one that we want. And this one's actually a little bit smaller than the old one used to be. The other one was 140 megs. This one's about 121 megs. Okay, what we're going to use is an FTP file program to extract this from the virtual machine. So in order to FTP to it, what I need to do is get the IP address of this machine, which is under Ether 0 right here. That's the IP address I need to extract the file. But in order to extract the file, I've got to turn on SSH. So I've got to become an administrator and install SSH, or secured shell. Okay, I'm going to start up my FileZilla client. And no, I do not want the new version. What I will do is go to sftp:// and I wrote down the IP. It's 192.168.230.133. Username is Cisco, and the password is Cisco123. And connect. This dumps into this directory. We're going to go to user just like we did before. Actually, we'll trace through our steps that we used before. And I think the next one was share. And then we go to VM Cloud and then data. VM Cloud, and then into data and the images directory. And what I want to do is drag it onto my desktop. Where I've got the IOSv. Alright, very good. This is the directory that I just extracted the file to. It's the one that we got the original OVA file and then extracted the virtual machine to. And this is the OVA file that we just extracted. This is the actual router. Alright, there is one final step. In preparation to run for either vmWare or GNS3, we have one more extraction yet. Now we've extracted what, 2-3 times already? I want to make one more folder, IOSv for 2015, and open this with WinRAR and extract it to that new folder. And now these files are the ones that you want to save and back up in a couple of places so you do not have to go to this trouble again. Just keep it handy and use it for GNS3 or vmWare. I'll see you on the next video.